Girl.
Better be a girl.
So
we planned for a girl. Hey, sweet girl. Yeah. Let's hear you. Oh my gosh.
All right, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Congratulations.
Hey, thank you.
What's her name?
Lucy Kate.
Oh, that's cute. Well, welcome to the world, Miss Lucy. My name's Peggy, and I'll be taking care of her.
Thanks, Peggy. So, because she's crying, is she gonna have to leave the room, or
No, she's cool.
we're hanging out in here?
We're hanging out in here.
Great. We were not sure how that was gonna.
We weren't either. That's why we were all ready for anything.
Well, thanks so much for your help.
And I'm going to do a few things to her.
Out of the closet.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That wasn't me. That was Ford.
Hi, sweetheart.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Goodness.
All right. So is this your first baby?
Sure is.
All right.